Hello, and welcome to Banner Torrington Community Hospital. I'm Zach Miller, our facility's Chief Executive Officer. Today, we'll be showing you around so that you can become more familiar with our facility should you ever need us for care in the future.
Our facility has seen several upgrades, including our remodeled obstetrical services area that includes large, warm, and inviting OB suites for patients and their families. Our emergency room was renovated in 2008 to provide inviting space to care for you and your loved ones. In 2015, we opened a brand new rehabilitation and therapy clinic. It features a large open concept therapy gym, as well as private evaluation and treatment rooms.
In 2019, we broke ground on our latest expansion and renovation that was recently completed in March of 2023. This work included redoing outpatient areas, building out our OR spaces, surgical services, and cardiac rehab, as well as providing a brand new entrance for patients and their loved ones.